This is a fantastic large tree, perfectly adapted to growing next to the water. And we're right here next to the harbour at the Royal Botanic Garden, Sydney, to visit our Norfolk Island Hibiscus. So it comes from Norfolk Island. It also comes from Lord Howe Island, where it's actually called the Sallywood tree. And it's a really important species on Lord Howe Island because it's the dominant tree species in a critically endangered ecological community, which is called the Sallywood swampland. So it's a really important tree in the wild. You'll often see it large trees in old parks and gardens or as street trees. It's in the same family as the hibiscus, but it's actually called Lagunaria patersonia. So beautiful nectar-rich pink flowers attract bees, rainbow lorikeets to the garden. After flowering, it forms small black fruit that hold the seeds, but those seeds also have fibres, and it's good to leave them alone because those fibres can get under your skin and be a little bit irritating. But the good news is those fruit capsules also attract cotton harlequin bugs or beetles. These are amazing iridescent blue, orange, red beetles that sometimes cluster around the fruit a little bit later in the season after flowering is finished. So Lagunaria patersonia, the Norfolk Island hibiscus or Sallywood tree, flowering now at the Royal Botanic Garden, Sydney.